Today, I want to show you a quick and simple upgrade that you can do for the TW that makes removing your seat and access to your battery quite a bit easier. Now, I've got a few of these, the TWs, and I've used a quick release seat pin on here before, but this one that I want to show you today, super easy, and it's just these guys right here. You've got two little pins that go into where the seat bolts go, two tethers, and we are going to install them on the 2021 TW200. Really easy to do, basic tools. A 10mm socket and a flat blade screwdriver is all you need, so let's do it. We've got our two bolts off underneath the seat here. We're going to pull this out, and as you can see, you've got your two spots right here where the bolts go through, and then they are going to bolt right here into the seat. And these are the seat pins from Bradley Performance. You've got two studs, you've got two keepers, and then you've got two tethers. These two pins come with a little bit of red Loctite. A little bit goes a very long way. You don't need a whole lot, and we are going to just lightly put some of this red Loctite here on the threads. Whoop. There we go. Like I said, a little goes a long way. We'll just start that one by hand. There we go. Take our other one. A little bit of red Loctite. So, as you can see, got a little bit right there on the threads. Get that one going by hand. And you might even be able to get them setting all the way down by hand. It doesn't take a whole lot. Then we're going to grab our little flat blade screwdriver right here. And these you don't have to be He-Man on. You just turn it to there and turn that one to there, and there you go. Your seat pins are completely installed on the back of the seat here. We've got that one and that one. Okay, down here on the frame we've got our seat posts. Okay, the stud is going to go down through these holes right here. So we're just going to take our tethers and we're going to slide one through on each side here. And then we'll just let it run through itself. Just like this. And then that way, that'll just stay right there on the bike when you take the seat off. So we'll do that again over here on the other side. Come up through and just feed it through itself like that, and there you go. Those are just going to sit just like that, and then these will hold your pin in place, so when the seat post goes down through, just clink right through the seat post and your seat is installed. So let's show you from underneath. All right, looking at it now from underneath the bike, we're going to take our seat, we will slide it into place here. Now, as you can see, those studs are sticking through. So you want to see which way your pin is oriented, and that's why that red Loctite is nice, because you could take it, just turn it a little bit there. That red Loctite will hold it into place. Then you take your pin, slide it through on that side, adjust it a little bit to where it needs to be. We will do the same thing. That pulls it actually pretty tight against there. You just slide that pin in. There you go. You've got a quick release seat bolt all attached. That's how easy it is to install those seat pins from Bradley Performance. They're quick release. And just take a look up underneath here. So if you want to take your seat off, just pull those pins and you just pull the seat right out. Gives you access to everything underneath the seat, and you are all good to go. So if you don't know how to remove the seat, I've got a video link. Actually, you could just watch it right after this one. Shows you how to take the seat off. Super simple, easy to do. And I will put a link in the description for these seat pins if you want to get them for your TW. Questions or comments, let me know. Make sure to follow along, subscribe, and share this with others with the TW. We've got a whole library of TW videos. So Matt with Mob Street out here with the 2021, the 2019, and the 2002 back there. We'll see you in the next one.